Healing of the Soul album. Judgment. Oh, mama, mama. Judgment time. Uganda yensi yange. Njagala kuddayo gye banzala. Omutima mpulira gukowola. Omuzira n'ekyeyo nze mpulira mbikoye. Uganda yensi yange. Njagala kuddayo gye banzala.
Njagala kuddayo gye banzala.
Awo tukawanike mwao.
Mpulira mbikoye.
Yeah, let's go.
Ekyeyo nze mpulira mbikoye. Ewaka yewuwo gye bakusala. Gwe mutima ogukuba ne wobeeye buvanjuba. Jjukira gye wasibuka. Afrika yewuwo kobereye bugwanjuba. Jjukira gye wasibuka. Afrika ge maka. Yes, we are in the studio right now, Crown Production Studios. Before I say anything, let me just allow Crown Productions, yes, to give us one word or two.
Yes, hello viewers. This is Crown Productions, and I'm here working on Apostle Ngabo's new album. The album is gonna be hot, and right about now we've been working on a song called Uganda. Uganda is a country for the Ugandans, and it encourages the Ugandans to come back to Uganda. Actually, we're having a magazine coming out as well, showing them what they're missing. So Uganda is a country to live. Yeah.
Place to be. Don't miss it. My album, Healing of the Soul, the song we are doing right now is all about Uganda yensi yange, which means Uganda is my country. And remember, my album is called Healing of the Soul. It's also connected to the returning or the repatriation back to Africa. Our magazine is called Change Mindset Magazine. Change Mindset Magazine. And the slogan is Start Your Journey Back Home. The slogan of the magazine is Start Your Journey Back Home. It's all about repatriation, returning back to Africa. Look out for Flimpoman Ngabo Alex's album coming called Healing of the Soul. Uganda yensi yange. Njagala kuddayo gye banzala. Omutima mpulira gukowola. Omuzira n'ekyeyo nze mpulira mbikoye. Uganda yensi yange. Njagala kuddayo gye banzala. Omutima mpulira gukowola. Omuzira n'ekyeyo nze mpulira